Here's a 2016 Audi Q5. Its sharp design makes it instantly recognizable. Its elegance and capability make it unmistakably an Audi. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, auto dimming mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, AM/FM satellite radio, advanced key, dual zone climate control, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com notes it's easy to see why the Q5 has such a broad appeal, being a favorite pick for active singletons and small families alike. Revolutionary engineering, progressive design, Audi. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Thank you for looking at this quality pre-owned vehicle from Audi Cary, a Leith dealership. We're located at 600 Auto Park Boulevard in Cary, North Carolina.